It's been 10 years since I uploaded the first video to this channel, so I thought it was time to do a bit of a check-in with you guys who have been watching and following the journey of Better Sax. I wanted to talk about some of the big developments that have happened in 2025 and give you a preview of what we've got planned for 2026 and beyond. One of the big changes this year was we switched to an all-inclusive membership. So instead of offering individual courses, people can now get access to the entire library of educational content we've made over the last 10 years. This makes it even easier to get good at playing the saxophone and enjoy all the rewards that come along with that. The other thing we did very recently is start offering a free trial of that membership. It's something that I was a bit reluctant to do, but after seeing that most people who sign up for the free trial end up sticking around, it seems like a win-win for everyone. So if you want to take advantage of that free trial, I put a link in the description. It's a great way to start the new year off with some positive habits that will make you feel good. For 2026, I've got some big plans to make what is already an amazing program even better so that our members continue to improve faster and enjoy the process more and more. And I'm very excited for everyone who's going to go on that journey with me. This channel started out teaching saxophone in a different way. I especially wanted to help adults learn this instrument using a method that wasn't designed for kids in a school band program. There wasn't anything available like that at the time. Over the past decade, lots of you kept watching the videos and enrolling in the courses, so thank you for that. After hundreds of videos and over 65 million views, I've got a pretty good idea of the sort of content that resonates with you guys the most, but please feel free to let me know in the comments the sort of videos you'd like to see more of next year. Early on, I started doing saxophone product reviews here, and those were incredibly popular, but I decided to take it to another level. So 6 years ago, rather than just trying to find good products to recommend, we started selling our own so that we could make even better saxophone products available. This way, I could personally guarantee that whatever I was recommending people buy met my very high standards for value and quality. 5 years ago, we sold the very first Better Sax Alto, and in 2026, we will have sold our 10,000th saxophone. I think we need to organize some sort of special prize for the person who gets the one with that serial number. In any case, 2026 is the year we celebrate 10 years of Better Sax, and we have something very special planned that I'll reveal later on. In 2025, we released 3 new saxophone models, the long-awaited Classic Baritone and the Classic Curved Soprano. These are our entry-level models that are designed to deliver well above their price point. If you don't want to spend a lot, you can get a Better Sax Classic and have a horn that can do everything you need it to at any level. We also released the Better Sax Session Alto. The saxophone world is really loving these horns, and I'm not surprised because they are so good in every way. The feedback we have had so far is crazy, and I'm very happy that so many people are getting a pro-level saxophone that they love for a lot less money. We also released the Burnin Metal tenor mouthpiece. These are made in the USA at the Geordie Jazz Factory and are an absolute dream to play. This year, we also started working closely with our friends at Odyssey Music who make the Treble Sax 2 and the Treble Clarinet. We just love how these tools make learning the saxophone easier and more fun, and we are very excited about that collaboration and the developments that are going to come out of it. In 2026, we are not slowing down. We plan on releasing the Session Tenor, which we want to be every bit as great as the Alto is, so we're working hard to get that ready for the end of the year. We also have the Burnin Metal Alto mouthpiece coming out, which I've been playing on for the last 2 months, and I could say this is easily the best alto mouthpiece I've ever played, and I can't wait for you guys to get to experience it. We will soon be releasing the Better Sax Meyer mouthpiece that we developed together with our friends at JJ Babbitt. The 5 tip opening of these comes with the Session Altos, but we're going to make it available in multiple tip openings as a standalone product. I love this mouthpiece, and it's perfect for anyone who wants a more traditional vintage jazz sound at a lower price point. Early in 2026, we're going to see the new burn-in ligatures for hard rubber alto and tenor mouthpieces. These are designed by the master saxophone maker Peter Yessen. And we have the classic soprano mouthpiece coming out. This completes our entry-level mouthpiece quartet. These were designed to be the best student mouthpieces available at a very affordable price. The alto version is just $40, and these have quickly become incredibly popular with band directors and students everywhere. Honestly, there wasn't even a decent student soprano mouthpiece out there for us to compare to when we started designing it, and I can say with confidence that this soprano mouthpiece will blow away anything in its price range. In addition to all that, we have a bunch of other things in development that we will likely start seeing in 2027. I don't want to give too much away, but I can tell you that we have begun developing a new type of saxophone that will probably be the coolest development in the saxophone world in like forever. We are also working on a Better Sax Auto Link tenor mouthpiece that will be awesome. And we have some exciting new accessories in development that we can't wait to share with you all. Look out for new reed cuts, ligatures, reed cases, swabs, and more. As for me, I'm still practicing saxophone every day, but I've made a bit of a change in my approach. I'm still working on improving, but my focus is on getting more enjoyment out of everything I play. So instead of evaluating my practice sessions or performances by how well I played, my new metric is to look at how much I enjoyed the process. This repackaging of the same exact activity has actually helped me improve my playing with less effort while also enjoying the experience at an entirely new level. So if you want my help getting the same results for yourself, go ahead and sign up for that free trial of the membership linked below, and go watch this video next to learn about the 4 specific changes I made to the way I practice that allow me to make more progress faster with less work.